Hi everyone, I'm using my Meta glasses and I'm CelesteOrchid. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at the 2-in-1 makeup brush cleaner and dryer. So I got this at Normal here in Denmark. I haven't started to open it because I wanted to see, but I know that the product is in here. And look at that. Here's the spinning mechanism and makeup cleaner. So I guess this is battery operated. Why is that cut so terribly? Yeah, so device, bowl, collar, 2 spindles, holders, and stand. Oh, and it's coming apart. Not the best sewn together book. Water soluble brush powder, add 2 drops of antibacterial liquid soap, around 20 milliliters. Well, let's see how this goes in a bit, but all my brushes could use a good cleaning, and I'm excited to try that. Let's see if it comes with batteries. It does not, so they are AAAs, and that's what we have to do. I'm imagining that this spins it. I'm not sure how it holds the brush. Maybe I need a brush stand? I don't understand how this works. Okay, so I'm looking in here and it's actually got these brush holders, and that's where you have these going in. So I was doing this wrong the whole time. So it doesn't look like this fits properly. Let's get a different one. Oh yeah, okay. See, and then that's how it fits. I don't feel like that's really secure, but maybe you could test it out on some more. Nope. I mean, it's nice that you can actually tell what sizes can go, and there's like a stopper. So maybe this is the right size. Yeah. So this, oh, there's the number 1. So they have the numbers on them. Okay. So there's 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is 1. So now you don't have to guess.
Okay, so reading the manual, it says to use antibacterial dish soap and 20 milliliters of water. So I will be using that. Right now my hair is just in a sloppy little clip bun. You can kind of see it here. And it kind of makes me look really tired. But I am, because I'm a new mom. Well, I'm still a mom, but I have a newborn now. I went ahead and filled it up. You can see the little bowl is filled. This is ready to spin. Now I'm going to choose a big brush like this, and hopefully I can find the right attachment. Looks like this one fits just right. So let's get that together. Okay, spin. Ooh! Here we go, submerging. Let's get it nice and good and spin it. It's doing something in there. Definitely making bubbles. Turn it off. Now I don't know if I'm supposed to go like this. That's not ideal. Oh gosh. Okay, so I figured out what I was supposed to do. Let it dry for a bit and then I can spin it so it looks really nice and it's clean. It feels really good. But the downfall, when I did that first spin, my bathroom all dirty. So we're going to go into the shower and then turn on my magic wand. Now I'm taking off this attachment. I'm going to get a different brush. Now that this one is clean and dry, it feels so good. I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to grab my foundation brush, find the one that can hold it. I think this one's really nice and snug. You want a really nice snug one. Then you put it into your little machine here. And I'm going to put it inside the bowl. So you can see here. Here's the bowl. And I'm going to start swirling it and let it go in. I use liquid foundation. I don't use powder foundation. And it still kind of looks like it's dirty. It definitely washed it. But in between the bristles, you could actually see there's still product buildup. So I would actually have to go in and use a more hardcore cleaning technique than just spinning it around. This would definitely only really work for like powder brushes such as eyeshadows, like this one I believe, and then like blush that is a powder based. If you use anything that is liquid based, this is not the product for you to use for cleaning your brushes. That being said, if you do just use powder based makeup products, this is perfect for you. Now cleanup is pretty simple. You just dump this out. And look, you can actually see how much powder foundation I got off of this brush. It was pretty dirty before we started, but it is not perfectly clean. So again, this brush was super dirty because this is my highlighter blush brush. And sometimes I use it for contouring, depending on how I feel. And this definitely is clean now. So yes to this product. But if you use liquid products, no. If you like this video, make sure to click that like button and subscribe if you're new here. I hope this video has been educational for you, so that way if you are a cosplayer or makeup enthusiast or just someone who uses makeup in general, this is a product for you. I will be trying this again with acrylics and different paints and seeing if that will help your paint brushes as opposed to makeup brushes. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I gotta go to my baby. So I'll see you in another video. Bye! Okay, that's not nice.